Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. You know, Chinese New Year, we always want to make some soup for my family members, right? Today, Appa is showing you how you can make a soup which filled with umami flavor using some very, very simple ingredient. So what I have here with me is actually mixed mushroom. I just go to the morning market and then they have actually a packet of mixed dried mushroom together. So I just use that to add with some meat. Yeah, I'm adding chicken today to make it into a soup. So if you can't find a ready mixed packet of mixed mushroom, what you can do is you can go to your nearest Chinese herbal shop, ask them to mix it up for you, different types of mushroom. So what you are looking at here, actually some of it I'm also not sure what kind of mushroom is it. This is probably the hou tou gu, yeah, the hou tou gu. I don't know what is the correct English name, but literally translated as monkey head. And then there are some lilies, yeah, some lilies, and then some. I think this is the I don't know what do you call it. I can't remember really. Anyway, it is a mix. Just a mixture of different types of mushrooms here. Okay, at least about 4 or 5 types. And then the packet also comes with some red dates. So if you don't have, you do put in some red dates. Yeah, the red dates will help you to give it a bit of sweetened flavor. And also you can put in a little bit of rock sugar. Put in some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder as well. And of course we want to put in a few pieces of ginger, and also this is 1/4 of a free range chicken. I'll put it all in. And the packet actually say cook everything for about 1 hour, done. Add in some salt. Actually, I don't mind to add in a little bit of salt right now, just for the sake of showing, yeah. If not, you can actually add in the salt towards the end. Right, 1 teaspoon of fine salt. So I'm going to bring this to a boil. Then we will come back shortly. All dried mushroom, yeah. All these are dried mushrooms. Can you use fresh mushroom? If you ask me, why not? But usually Chinese like to use dried mushroom because it gives a deeper flavor. Yeah. So once you start seeing it started to boil, we can close the lid and tune down to medium-low fire and let it cook for minimum 1 hour. I actually added about 2.5 liters of water. You just adjust accordingly. This is after like about close to 50 minutes. I think good enough because I put a lot of mushroom inside. Yeah, actually I should have just divided into 2 packets because it's a very big packet. Already very flavorful, right? Right now what you want to do is just to use some salt and maybe a little bit of sugar. I think maybe not sugar. Just use a bit of salt to adjust to taste, that's all, yeah? And few dashes of white pepper. It's basically done. Lots of mushroom. You can eat all this mushroom, yeah, together with the chicken. Okay, very simple, but you can just do it easily, especially during Chinese New Year.